Did you know there is a world so small we can't even see it? It's a world of atoms and molecules, the building blocks of everything around us. This is the nanoscale. And now, we have the power to work at this level, to manipulate these tiny building blocks. This is the power of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is changing everything. It's revolutionizing medicine, electronics, and even the way we build things. It's like having a tiny toolbox that can build and fix things from the bottom up. Imagine a world with self-healing materials. Imagine phones as thin as paper. Imagine diseases cured before they even start. This is the promise of nanotechnology. But like all powerful tools, nanotechnology comes with risks. We need to understand these risks before we can fully harness its potential. So what exactly is nanotechnology? Simply put, it's the manipulation of matter on an atomic and molecular scale. A nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. That's incredibly small. At this scale, materials behave differently. They have different properties. Scientists are learning to exploit these properties to create new materials and devices with amazing abilities. One example is carbon nanotubes, tiny tubes of carbon atoms that are incredibly strong and lightweight. These could revolutionize everything from construction to aerospace. Another example is quantum dots, tiny semiconductor crystals that emit light of specific colors. These are being used to create incredibly efficient solar cells and brighter, more colorful displays. Nanotechnology is poised to revolutionize the field of medicine. Imagine tiny robots called nanobots traveling through your bloodstream. They could deliver drugs directly to diseased cells. These nanobots could also be used to repair damaged tissues or even clear blocked arteries. This could mean an end to many diseases as we know them. Nanotechnology is also being used to develop new diagnostic tools. For example, nanosensors could detect cancer cells in the body much earlier than current methods. The possibilities are truly exciting. Nanotechnology could lead to a future where we live longer, healthier lives. Section 4. Supermaterials for the future. Nanotechnology is not just about tiny robots. It's also about creating entirely new materials with amazing properties. One such material is graphene. Graphene is a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb lattice. It's incredibly strong, lightweight, and an excellent conductor of electricity. Graphene could revolutionize electronics. Imagine flexible phones and computers that you can fold up and put in your pocket. Beyond electronics, graphene has potential applications in energy storage, water filtration, and even bulletproof vests. The discovery of graphene is just the tip of the iceberg. Nanotechnology is opening up a world of possibilities for new materials with unimaginable properties. Section 5. Nanotechnology, benefits and risks. Nanotechnology holds immense promise for the future. From curing diseases to creating supermaterials, it has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. But like any powerful technology, nanotechnology comes with risks. Some nanoparticles could be harmful to human health or the environment. We need to carefully consider these risks before we unleash the full potential of nanotechnology. We need to ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically. So the question is, can we harness the power of the nano world while mitigating its potential risks? The answer lies in responsible research and careful consideration of its implications. Only then can we truly unlock the full potential of this amazing technology.